Good morning, student. I am Purnima, and I welcome you to my class of English children. And today I am going to revise diary entry with you people. Okay, I will be telling children what is a diary, why we write a diary, okay, and the way and the format of writing a diary. Now, children, everybody know and what everybody has seen what is a diary. The situation is getting very worse nowadays, children, because the students they have left the this habit of reading and writing is being disappeared in their children from their regularity. Earlier, all the student children they used to do the reading. Definitely, they used to be benefited in all the way. First, it used to enhance their knowledge. Second, they used to children have more. They used to learn more new words. Okay, then whatever the grammatical error they used to commit, that was becoming less day by day. Fourth is thing, children, the spelling mistake used to be very less because daily reading means you have to see a lot of words every day. And not only that, children, even the punctuation mark was becoming more clearer day by day. So there are many habits of reading as well as it used to give food for your thought. Okay, so whenever children the writing section used to come, the children never used to think already. They never used to imagine because already so many ideas they used to have because they used to read lot of books and the magazine. Okay, nowadays children this has been children. We can feel that this has been disappearing from the students lobby. People are rather interested in internet. They don't want to work hard. Whatever the homework and the classwork is given by the teacher, they just simply go to internet. They had a ready-made solution there. They did not want to imagine or think. So children, what I feel, their language part is being deteriorated. Okay, now children, one of the habits of the, I will not tell, now also they are doing, children, one of the habits of the people is diary writing. So diary writing, children, is a very interesting thing. People, it's very nice. Children, imagine, children, you have grown old and you have found your old diaries in which your school life has been described. That one day your teacher has given you a chocolate because it was your birthday, or you have a fight with your school friend in class 6. Children, when you will grow adult, and one day when you will must be cleaning your almirah and you found a your old diary lying somewhere and you start reading, so a lot of sweet memories will be there with you, and definitely a smile will be there in your lips. Okay, so children, there are many benefits of writing a diary. Nowadays people don't have time to write. In fact, they have time but they don't want to write it. Okay, you can write diary for 2 minutes you can spare. And children, many diaries are so famous that even the whole novel has been written about on that diary. Like children, the diary of a young girl, which I've discussed with you. It's a diary of a girl, children, how she was tortured when she was stayed in the camp of the Hitler. And wonderful, she has written each and everything. Through that diary we come to know that how Nazis used to behave with the Jewish people when they were in their camp. Okay, so these are some of the things, children. Diary depicts the truth. Okay, diary depicts the feeling of the people. Diary depicts the expressions of one's heart. So children, diary and it's a, children, when you will have developed this habit, you won't be able to live without writing a diary. So what I feel here, we should write diary. And children, it's like an old photograph album. Children, what happens sometimes we take the album and it reminds of the sweet memories, okay, with the family photographs. And children, even our photograph, it smile come on our face when we see our old photograph when we were 4 years old, or when we were 7 or 8 years old with our family. We are going to the picnic, or many photographs are there when you went to the school for the first time, or when you celebrated a birthday, first birthday celebration. Okay, so many near and dear ones you must be seeing who are not there now. So a lot of sweet remembers is there whenever we write a diary, children, whenever we see the old photo album. Similarly, children, the diary is also will give the same feeling. After 10 years, when you will open the diary and start reading, oh, today I had fighted with one of my dearest colleague of the classroom. Okay, he was bullying me and I beaten him. Automatically, a smile will be there on your face, and you will start remembering about your past experience with your friend. So, children, these are some of the important advantage when a person writes a diary. Now, so children, but children, whenever you write a diary, in the writing section, you have to go through a certain format, okay, and then you can write the diary. Children, diary writing will come in your examination of 5 marks, and children, that word limit is 100 words you can write it, right? So children, whenever there is a format for diary entry also. So what is the format of a diary entry? You can note it down. Format of a diary entry. So children, it is day and date, and then children time. So day and date you can write in this manner. Suppose today is Wednesday. Then you have to write date, or you can write children September. And time you will always write in PM at the right side. So this is the format. Okay, you don't have to write dear diary, you don't have to write good night. I've seen many people, children, this format is written in your old books. Okay, this is the format, old format. Earlier, children, when we were taught diary writing, we used to taught that you have to start your write your diary with this word, dear diary. You have to mention this thing to your diary. Okay, so now children, this format is wrong. Okay, no dear diary or no good night. Okay, such type of words or thank you is not written in the diary entry. Simply children, you have to write the day, and you have to put a small comma. There will be 2 commas in the format, one after the day, the other after the month in the date. Okay, and then you have to write up day, Thursday, small, you can see your day, and after Thursday small comma is there. Then you will write the date. After September there is a small comma, then the year, and after that children you have to write the time. Generally time is written in 9 p.m. children. This is the time when mostly what to say children, this is the time when people are free, so they write the diary at this time only. Okay, they are generally free at this time. Okay, so this is the time children when people are free. Now children, one more thing I would like to say children, whatever many people, when you will write the diary, you should always write in the past tense, because that incident is over of which you are writing a diary. And try to write the diary in passive voice. Try to write your diary children in the passive voice. Okay, and I, many people think children they write I with a small letter. I should always be written with a capital letter. I should always written with a capital letter. Okay, so this is the way that you should write a diary. Now children, one thing children, I will let you know that when you will write a diary, you have to children be very truthful, because children diary is the most personal thing. You cannot write wrong things in the diary. Otherwise children, you have to maintain your honesty with the diary. You have to be very truthful in your diary, and each and everything should be written clearly in the diary. Okay, So children, now I am going to read a diary. Okay, I am going to read two questions related with diary, and you can see children how I have written that diary. Okay, so my first question is, you saw a girl working as a maid. Children, you were going to the school and you saw a girl. She was a small girl and she was people were kept her as a maid in their house. Okay, write a diary entry expressing your views on child labor. Now children, when you saw her, you became very sad because this was not the age of her work. In fact, this was the age of her going to the school. So you became very sad and you have to write a diary entry expressing your views on child labor. Write the entry in about 100 to 120 words. So you cannot write the diary more than not less than 100 words and not more than 120 words, 150 words. Now children, the word limit has been lessened. Okay, and so you have to write not more than 120 words. So children, how you are going to start? You are going to start the diary with the children with the same day. Day is Thursday, small comma, see the format, then you have to write the date 17 September, comma 2020, and you can write 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. okay, or 8 p.m. Generally you don't write a.m. okay. So now children, you will start your diary. How you can see how I have written. Today while going to the school, I saw. Now children, saw is a verb of the past tense because that thing is over. So this is the verb of the past tense, that thing is over. Today while going to the school, I saw a girl wearing untidy clothes. My mother told that she was the daughter of the maid. And children, what her mother told, that this girl is a very small girl and she is the daughter of the maid because her mother could not come because she was ill. I was moved to, my mother told that she was the daughter of the maid. I was moved to see her. The sweet, innocent face of the girl kept on haunting me the whole day. I came back home and was desperate to talk to her. So children, that sweet and innocent face keep on haunting me. Haunting means children, it was coming every moment to her. Every moment she was remembering that face. I talked to her and tried to convince her about the importance of going to school. She told, I talked to her and tried to convince her about the importance of going to school and ban on child labor. Okay, and children, I also told her that nobody can keep you for work because there is a ban on child labor. I told her. Now children, see all the verb I am using here of the past tense. As you can see here, I am using all the verb of past tense. I told her that education is the way to come out from ignorance and suppression. I tried to make her understand that how much education is important in one's life and the benefits of being educated. She told me about her poverty and helplessness. She told that she also wanted to go to school but her parents did not allow her. I told her that I would talk to her parents and try to convince them. The girl was happy to hear that and promised that she would definitely go to school if her parents would allow her. Okay. Now children, with these simple words you have to end your diary. Now what things you have seen children? First of all, you have to write a proper format as I have written. Second thing children, you must have seen children, I have written this diary in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Okay, because this is the diary entry is not a short composition. There are two types of composition will be there in the writing section. First, the composition of 50 words like message writing, notice writing, okay, advertisement writing, poster making. So these are some of the children topics which cannot be written more than 50 words. So this will come under children short composition. But your diary is of children how many words? At least 200 words, 100 to 120 words is the children is the word limit of diary entry. So you have to adhere to the word limit. So children, here you can see that your diary is children written with the proper format, and you can see the format I have written here. Thursday, day and date, Thursday, small comma, date in this manner. You cannot write the date like this, otherwise you will get 0 in the date. Okay, and then of course children, you have to write it in PM. The time you have to write it in PM. Okay, now the other important thing is that in the diary entry, okay, the other important thing is that children, in the diary entry, all the verbs should be used in the past tense. And children, diary, since it is of 100 to 120 words is the word limit, so you have to write it in how many words, in 100 to 120 words, and in 2 to 3 paragraphs you have to write it. You have to write the diary in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Okay, now you can see children, I have omitted some of the words, children, many people they write in the old format. When I was checking the homework also, I've seen many people have written dear diary and thank you or good night. So all these words should not be written according to the new format of the diary. You cannot even write thank you after writing your diary. This is not in your new format. Okay, so now, so children, this is the main thing. Okay, and in the half-yearly examination, 5 marks writing section will be there, and see, you have to write it, since it is a long question, so write it in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Now children, you have expressed your feeling very honestly, you have told her very honestly, and you have shared all this thing in your diary in a very truthful manner. So this is the way of writing a diary. Now one more diary I will be discussing. On Children's Day, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was interacting with students of selected 100 School of Delhi. You were one of the lucky ones to be selected from school. So children, see the question once again. Children, you have to understand the question. Okay, don't jump, don't in a hurry read the question and deviate from your topic while writing the diary. So children, just see, it was on Children's Day. When we have Children's Day, what is the occasion? It is the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru birthday. Okay, it is always held on 14th September. On Children's Day, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was interacting with students of selected 100 schools of Delhi. You were one of the lucky ones to be selected from the school. Pen down your feelings and experience of meeting the Missile Man of India in the form of a diary entry in about 100 to 150, 120 words. So, children, how you are going to write the diary? Children, you are going to write the diary in the same manner as I told you. Okay, you have to write the format, day and date, Thursday, small comma, 17 September, small comma, and then you have to write the time in PM or AM. This time you can write 10 PM, okay, or 8 PM you can write. Then children, you have to leave one line, and then you have to write your diary. Okay, so how you are going to start your diary? You are going to start your diary. Today is the best day of my life. Children, when you have something good, so you can write like today is the most exciting day of life. Like suppose if you are coming first, okay, so you can start your diary. Today is the most exciting day of my life. I got first position in the school. Something like that, children, you can write it. Okay, so then children, you can write it. Today is the best day of my life. I could not believe my luck when Mrs. Mathur, our science teacher, announced my name amongst the 5 students selected from our school to go to Rashtrapati Bhavan to meet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So children, it was the most surprising, most wonderful day for her, most exciting day for her, because and was one of the most children good day for her, because as her science teacher had told her that she would be among the 5 children, her name is also being selected to go to Rashtrapati Bhavan to see the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, all of us felt so elated and important. Elated is happy. So children, all the 5 students, they were feeling very happy We waited patiently to meet Dr. Kalam. Children, they reached to the Kalam Rashtrapati Bhavan, and eagerly these children, they were waiting for the Rashtrapati to join them. We waited patiently to meet Dr. Kalam. As he walked in, he was hardly visible among all his security men, but we could feel the positive energy and a strange kind of aura. So children, as soon as he came into the room, children, what happened? He was, hardly visible among all his security men, but we could feel the positive energy and a strange kind of aura. We all stood up and applauded as he took his seat on the dais. So children, they all stood up when the president, when the missile man, the great scientist, he said, okay, everybody stood up and applauded when as he took up his seat on the dais. Children, he was having a magical personality, a nice smile on his face, with full of confidence. There was a complete silence in the room when he came to the podium to speak. He inspired all the students to develop a scientific attitude. He enthusiastic and sincere in everything we did, no matter how irrelevant it be. Okay, so he told that he gave an advice that however we are irrelevant or relevant, but we have to be very sincere and honest in our work. Now children, the two paragraph I've read, and one small, we will start a third paragraph also by writing 1 or 2 lines. So how you are going to start? I got an opportunity to ask him a question, but I must confess, okay, but being given the privilege was overwhelming. He was so kind while replying to my query. I know this day will go down in history as the best day of my life. So it's a nice children ending also. So this will be the most memorable part of my life in ride, or like this line I've written, that my name will go in the history as the most children, as the most best day of my life. So in this way, children, you have write the diary in this day. Whenever you've written the diary entry, and children, whenever you will have time, when you after 10 years or 20 years, when you will be busy with the work pressure and lot of responsibility in your hand, and when you will open suddenly one day while cleaning your room, when you will open this diary and you will read such a wonderful day of visiting with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, definitely a smile, a sweet smile will be there in your face. Okay, you cannot forget, you will not be able to forget this wonderful moment. That all will be, you will be remembering once again. Okay, so this is the magic of diary entry, children. We can refresh our mind with the sweet memories. Okay. Now children, you can write diary entry of many things, like if you have gone to some places, okay, or you have attended some science fair, or you have you have gone to the picnic, okay, or you can also write the diary entry when you were the anchor for the school function. Okay, so all this thing. Now children, sometimes children inputs are there in the diary entry, sometimes inputs are not there in the diary entry. So children, one more diary entry I will be telling you. It's a nice diary entry. When one of you must have chance to become the comparators or the anchors in the annual function. So children, you are Michael of class 11. Just see the question. You are Michael of class 11. You were the anchors for the annual function at your school today. Make a diary entry in about 100 to 150 words, sharing your experience and feeling. You can use the following cues. So the cues is also given in the input. Anchor, went well, district collector chief guest, impressed everyone, a wonderful day. Alright, so you can write that again. You can start your diary by writing the format, day and date, Thursday 17 September, 2020, and this time children time you can write 8 p.m. Okay, so 8 Alright children, you can start with such type of word. This was the most wonderful day of my life when my teacher, when my English teacher came and she told me that you will be the anchor, one of the anchors. You are selected in the annual function. I was really feeling great that day. We had the annual function in our school today, and I had a very important part in it. Okay, and also I have worked very hard. I've been practicing since long. Okay, 2 hours I have used to make practice in the school hours also, and at home in front of the mirror also I was practicing for this great day. Anyhow, children, today the annual function was conducted. Everybody was praising us, especially my parents and my relatives also came, and my friends also praised me that I was one of the best anchor. I am really feeling great today. We had the annual function in our school today, and I had a very important part in it. I was the anchor of the whole function. So children, a very important role was given to him, though he was not on the dais, but he was playing the role of the anchor. Okay. I had really practiced a lot, and fortunately everything went off really well. So he practiced everything very well. Okay, very hard. He used to work very hard for 4 hours, he used to practice. I started off confidently and could manage all the advance that came unexpectedly without making any mistake. The chief guest was the district collector. Now children, here the second paragraph is starting. The chief guest was the district collector. His speech was really inspirational. I listened carefully to all the words of wisdom that he said to inspire us. Principal ma'am and all the teachers were happy with the way I delivered the vote of thanks also. I felt really lucky today and happy that I can perform in front of such an influential and eminent person, and that too in a very wonderful way. I felt really lucky today and happy that I could perform in front of such an influential and eminent person, and that too in front of such a big gathering. My confidence was increased. It was indeed a wonderful day at the school. I was feeling tired after getting the refreshment. I came back home and my parents and I was very happy. In my house also everybody was praising me. So children, you can see you can see this thing, how the diary is written. Now children, the diary written is also written when you go for some tours or travel, like you went to see the Taj at Agra. Okay, how you have felt. So one of the diary I will be just telling you, when you went to for Taj, when you went to Taj, whenever you can go to tours and travel, you can children see. Okay. And children, you can write up some event also, like one day I was standing on the road and I saw an old woman. She was not able to cross him and I helped him to cross her the way. So I felt very happy. This incident you can also describe in your diary. So children, I am writing one of the incident related with tours and travel. Okay, you went to see the Taj at Agra on a trip organized by school. You were spellbound to see the spectacular beauty of the monument, but the lack of cleanliness around it disappointed you. Write a diary entry in about 100 to 150 words expressing your admiration and your disappointment using the visual given below. So children, how you will start? You will definitely children, you will be starting with the day Thursday and date 17 September 2020, and the time is children 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Okay, you can mention any time. And children, then you can write children, today we were fortunate to see one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal, its architecture and its sculpture amazed all of us. I went to Agra with my family to see the Taj. Okay, but at the same time my teachers and classmates were also here. My family also came with me, though they were sitting in another bogie of the train. The guide told us that Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, loved his wife so much that he created this mausoleum and unsurpassed eternal memory, which is the Taj. I was spellbound by the massive architectural beauty that stood before us. As we walked around the monuments, we were appalled seeing the garbage of plastic waste and the scribbling on the walls. I really could not imagine how anybody could try to blemish the historical monuments. We were thus struck by the unbearable stench of decaying smell emanating from the tanning industries as we walked further on. I did not understand at that point of time what I was feeling. Was it a deep sense of admiration for Taj, or was it a sense of shame and resentment to those antisocials who were responsible for defacing a monument such as the Taj Mahal? Okay, but anyhow, I felt very happy that I was standing when I was standing at the among one of the in front of Taj, which is one of the seventh wonder of the world. That beautiful memory I will never forget in my life. That beautiful architecture structure, it will not be faded from my memory. So, children, this type of things you can write in your diary. Whenever you write a diary, use all these things. So, with this, children, my this diary entry is I've revised it, and it is in the syllabus of your half-yearly. Please study properly. With this, I children end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.